Wait, I forgot what to say.
You don't have to say anything, just open it. So you're doing rock tumbling.
Can we first?
And the originally the rocks look a bit like this. They have lots of angles on them, right?
Yeah. I need help. I can't.
You need help to get this open?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you ready? Wait, can you start the video and phrase? I wasn't ready.
Okay.
Oh, man. 3, 2, 1. It looks pretty hard.
Looks pretty nasty, huh?
Oh, it got over my hand.
Looks pretty goopy.
Gotta find it. Oh, I think I just found one over here. Yeah, it's way too hard to use chopsticks to get.
Well, you
them
don't
out.
want to use a spoon. I mean, how else are you going to get a rock out of water?
Well, this is way too hard. Oh.
Because we're going to keep that dirty water. According to the instruction, you can use it again.
Huh. Oh. Oh, I think it's gonna look so good once I dip it in. Shake it off.
So that's got the super grit in it. The dirty water.
Oh. Oh. That looks like a galaxy.
It does look like a galaxy.
But in a rock.
A galaxy in a rock.
I'm gonna put it back inside so it can get a little bit. Actually, okay, I'm gonna get another one.
Okay.
Oh.
So this is after 4 days of processing. It still needs 2 more days according to the instructions.
Oh, that looks so nice.
Ooh,
It actually turned out better than I thought.
wow. So when that started, it looked something more like this.
Yeah, I'm gonna get another one.
It's really amazing.
Wait, I'm gonna get another one.
Okay.
Ah, it's getting all in my hand.
Yeah, it's pretty nasty.
Yeah,
It's got
but
the grit. It's got the...
I'll just wash it off my hand.
Yeah, but you, according to the instruction, you have to be careful. When you wash anything from this, you should wash it with a hose outside because this grit will destroy your plumbing. Is that a rock? Oh, okay.
Come on. I'm trying to scrub it out.
Yeah, according to this, you should dump everything outside and wash it outside with the hose. You shouldn't wash anything in your sink inside the house.
Oh man, I'm not being... Oh,
Oh, you got one.
wash it off.
Fishing for rocks. Pretty funny.
Oh,
What do you think?
it looks so nice. Wait, can you make this video called Fishing for Rocks?
Is this the video called Fishing for Rocks?
Yeah, can you do Fishing for Rocks?
Sure, we can call it Fishing for Rocks.
That, since that's pink and this is pink, so it
So,
makes it look more
It used to look something more like this.
like more like this.
Okay.
And then
But now
turned out
it looks
more
like this.
uh,
Pretty cool.
Can we make enough? Can we keep doing the video?
Yeah, we can.
Oh, I almost got one. Oh. I can feel one over. got one.
Ooh.
What's this one gonna look like? Oh.
Ooh, it's purpley.
Wait, I gotta see this one. It's something like this, but a little bit more like purple.
Amethysty.
Yeah, I think this is like an amethyst problem.
I know we
And
had
that's
some,
probably rose quartz.
like a rose
Like
quartz or clear, yeah.
Oh, I think there's another one over here.
Yeah, there's lots more rocks in there.
Come on.
Remember, we were allowed to put 1 pound of rocks in when we started.
Yeah, but it's a lot.
And we put, like we measured it and it was between 0.8 and 1 pound. So it was almost exactly 1 pound. Because the scale we were measuring, either it went from 0.8 automatically to 1. It didn't have a 0.9 listing. It wasn't super sensitive. Ooh. Oh, careful, careful.
At least not too much spilled.
Yeah, just a little bit of drop outside.
Oh.
So that one definitely started out looking like this.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, yeah. That looks so nice.
Oh, you got another one. That was quick. You're getting much better with those quasi chopsticks.
Never
Oh,
mind.
you got a bunch of
Wait, got it.
the rose.
I gotta wash it off. Never mind. Come on.
Got it?
Ooh, this one's gonna look pretty nice, I think.
Oh. Is that obsidian?
I think that one looked like this.
Did it start out as
yeah,
obsidian?
it was one of these. It looked like one of these. Oh yeah, that's definitely obsidian. Probably most definitely obsidian. I'm gonna see if there's, oh, found another one. Oh, I dropped it. Where is it?
Careful, yeah. Ooh. Almost like the tiger eye kind of.
Yeah, it looks kind of like a tiger eye, but like, yeah, I don't really know what it is.
I think that one would benefit more from more tumbling because it's got this sharp edge and some crease on it.
Well, a little bit of crease, but not sharp edges.
Not sharp, but like a little edge.
Well, there's no sharp edges on this one.
Not sharp, but little edges.
Like, come on. Oh, can't drop it in so hard. It looked something like this in the before, and now it looks like this.
Let's compare
Look at
those
how
two.
different
Yeah.
it looks. Now let's compare these ones. I'm gonna drop them all back into the water for a second, just to make sure. So later, can we make another one?
Yeah. So this is after 4 days of tumbling. We still have 2 more days to go in this.
I wanna see.
This is in the super grit, in the first level 1 grit.